Hi everyone, welcome to Season 5, Episode 8 of Mommy and Me Tutorials. Today we are looking at question 31 of the SCA 2022 Mathematics Past Paper.
Small identical cubes are placed inside a cuboid as shown below. How many more of these cubes are needed to fill the cuboid completely?
Any keywords in this question?
Yes, more and fill the cuboid.
What does more mean?
Additional or extra cubes.
And what does fill the cuboid mean? What is the question really asking us?
To calculate the volume.
How do we calculate volume?
By multiplying the length by breadth by height.
Okay, so this is the length and this would be the breadth and this represents the height. Okay, so let's say we have this box with apples. Good. How many apples do we currently have in this box?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 apples.
So we currently have 12 apples in this box.
Yes.
All right. How many apples do you think this box can hold if it is completely filled?
1, 2, 3,
maybe a fourth one here.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 apples.
Delicious, juicy apples. So this box can hold 24 apples. So how many more apples do we need to completely fill this box?
We need 24 minus 12, which will give us 12 more apples.
Okay, so we need 12 additional apples to completely fill this box.
Yes.
All right. So if we need to calculate how many more of these cubes are needed to completely fill this cuboid, what is step 1?
To identify the length, breadth, and height of the completed cuboid.
So therefore, we need to calculate how many cubes will completely fill the length.
The breadth and the height.
And the height. Let's count the length first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1 in front of here.
So 6.
1 in front of here.
7.
And 1 here.
8.
8. So 8 cubes will completely fill the length. What about the breadth? How many cubes can completely fill the breadth of the cuboid?
Well, we can see 1.
Well, we have this row here.
With 3. So 1, 2, 3. And we'll have another cube in front. So that will give us 4 cubes on the breadth.
Right. Okay. And what about the height? I see a completely filled column here.
For the height, yeah.
For the height?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes.
5 cubes. All right. So if this cuboid were to be completely filled, we need 8 cubes in the length,
4 cubes on the breadth, and 5 cubes on the height.
All right. Great job. What's our next step?
Step 2 is to calculate the total amount of small cubes that fill the larger cuboid by determining the volume.
Right.
So the total volume is equal to the length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. And we will get 160 cubes.
So if this cuboid were to be completely filled, then we require 160 cubes. Okay, all right. Next step.
Find how many more cubes are needed to completely fill the cuboid.
But how many cubes do we have now?
16. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cubes.
So we currently have 16 cubes in this cuboid.
Yes.
But we know that
the total volume of this cuboid is 160 cubes.
Or rather, when this cuboid is completely filled, it can hold.
160 cubes.
So how many more cubes do we need?
The number of cubes needed is equal to the total, which is 160, minus how many cubes are already in the cuboid, which is 16, and we get 144 cubes.
So what did the question ask us to calculate?
To calculate how many more cubes are needed to fill the cuboid completely.
And how many additional cubes do we require to completely fill this cuboid?
144 cubes.
So we answered the question.
Yes.
Okay, that's it for now. We hope this video helped. Bye, everyone.